Hello everyone, friends. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix non-working or missing audio. We'll tackle audio issues in the media player. First, launch the media player, click audio, then audio device, and select the speakers you need. Make sure to choose speakers that are working. You can also go to settings, audio, and select your output device there, whether it's speakers or click save or choose headphones. If that doesn't help, go to the start menu. Open it up, go to settings, then system and sound. Excuse the helicopter noise in the background. Alright. Here, also verify that you have the correct speakers or headphones selected as your output. If you're still having trouble, search for troubleshooting. There it is, troubleshooting. Here, select output device. Click that and it will start troubleshooting your speakers and headphones. This should resolve the issue. That covers it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.